Hey everybody, Varun here from 𝗙𝗿𝗄𝗏. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video we are going to talk about one thing everyone is worried about. Many students think essay templates are not working. A lot of students are confused whether we can still use the essay templates, and many are thinking that PT has completely changed, right? What I'm going to discuss in this video, over the last, I must say, 2 weeks, I have seen a few students, not all, a few. If 10 students are taking the test, 1 or 2, maximum 3 are missing out in the writing module, and that is a key concern for me as well. But there's nothing to panic about. We have got the solution, we have tested the solution, and it has proven successful for us. So what I'm going to give you in this video, what is the problem, what is the reason, and what are few of the possible solutions you can implement when you go and take your test so that you can crack your test in the very first go. So what I'll be doing is I'll be sharing my screen with you. I'll tell you each and everything you should be careful about so that you can crack your essay section, extended writing section, and you can score your points in writing as well as give a boost to your overall score. So without any further delays, let's get into the video. Let me share my screen and then we will go from there. All right. So what is the problem? As I've mentioned, what is the problem? Few students are missing out in the writing module, extended writing, particularly essay. But what is the reason? Why? The reason, number one, not the only reason, but one reason is many of them, they're not using the template properly. Some students are using the template properly, but still are not getting the scores. Why? Because the template has not got enough keywords in the template itself. When this case is applicable, when do students face this issue that template is not having enough keywords? This happens in those cases where the essay topic is very short. For example, essay topic is animals have rights like humans. What do you think? So in the essay topic itself, you do not have a lot of keywords. And if you're not adding a few keywords outside the essay topic, few students are missing out. We need to make sure that if you go for the test, 120%, you get the scores. What you have to do? First of all, listen. You can still use the template, but now, because I have tested a few things over the last 2 weeks, especially since when students have missed out in writing, I've got a new template as well, and I have modified the current template as well. Why I have modified the current template? Because many students find it very difficult to memorize the new template again and again. So in this video, I'll be giving you the modified version of the previous template, which will help you include proper keywords, which will make sure you do not miss out in extended writing and your writing module as well. You can still use a template, but you need to use it properly. When I say properly, this means first, one condition is you add all the keywords from the essay topic. Let's say your essay topic is social media and computers play an important role in information. What do you think? So what are the keywords? Keywords are social media, computer, important role, information. So all the keywords from the essay topic should be there in your essay. If your essay has not got enough keywords or all the keywords from the essay topic, there are very high chances you will miss out in your writing score. And then along with all the keywords from the essay topic, if the essay topic is short, means essay topic has only got 3 keywords or 4 keywords, in that case you have to add a few keywords related to the essay topic in your answer. Let me show you how. This version 1.2 was the old version. We have recently released version 1.3 for our students. In that, we have modified the template, changed the template a bit. We are not uploading that on YouTube for now, but this version 1.2, the modified version, is also proven. This is especially for those students who cannot afford, who are not able to join our classes. But I really want to help everyone out there. That's why I have modified this. I have taken a PSN mock test using this. We have had a few students who took the exam and got the scores using this modified version. What we have modified, we have taken off this sentence. So you do not need to write this sentence now. Instead of this, you have to add this sentence in second paragraph and this sentence in third paragraph. So you start, one of the most important trends of today's world is the sudden upsurge in the statement that Over here, you write the whole statement. If the essay topic is 2 statements, you just write the first statement over here. This essay will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of the above statement, which relates to the fact that over here you write the statement again. If the statement is single and it's too long, you can just write the main essay topic. If there are 2 statements, first statement you have written here, second statement you write there. Then you start to commence with, there are several arguments in favor of my stance. The most significant one not only includes betterment of the society, but also includes positive development of every individual on the planet. Because of the countless benefits, not only one can gain more when it comes to being successful, this is still convenience. Till here, you have to just keep it as it is. Then what you have to do, other factors impacted by the topic are keyword 1, keyword 2, and keyword 3. You have to, before you start writing, you just need to write 4 to 6 keywords related to the essay topic. Let's say if we are talking about social media, you can write other factors impacted by the topic, or you can write other factors impacted by social media are spreading information, source of entertainment, and business activities. That's it. 3 keywords related to the topic to make sure you have enough keywords concerned or relevant to the essay topic, and your essay topic is making some sense and is relevant to the essay prompt you have been provided. Then you move on to the third paragraph. Another crucial factor in the aforementioned statement is that it is only likely to assist one to flourish, progress, excel till disciplines, consequently till perseverance. Hence, it is evident that why many favor the fact that over here you write main keywords from the essay topic, or if the essay topic is short, you can write the whole statement. Then this sentence is new. Moreover, 3 more keywords like moreover, impact on health, eyesight, and mental health are also important to be taken into account. So 3 more keywords related to social media or whatever topic you're getting, or you can write moreover, increased scams, frauds, and health impacts are also important to be taken into account. If you're not able to, figure out 6 keywords, you can just write 2 keywords here, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That's it. Don't stress about it. But make sure you add this sentence and this sentence. It's not that this template is completely not working, but yes, some students are facing issues when it comes to this template. So that's why we have added these 2 sentences, just to make sure, worst case, when you have essay topics which are very short, very small, you do not miss out in your writing module, because it is our responsibility to make sure you have all the latest templates and templates which are working, which will give you the scores. Even if you get a long essay topic, you can still add these 2 sentences just to be on a safer side. And then last, it's same. To conclude, in my opinion, the government of Australia is taking a great initiative in educating its citizens against the negative impacts of the statement. Here you write the statement. If it's short, or if it's very long, or if you're exceeding the word limit, you can write few keywords as well. And then you write the same statement or sentence till here, and you're done. So what are the changes? We have taken off this sentence just to make sure the word limit does not go more than 300 words. Added this particular sentence where you add 2 to 3 keywords related to the essay topic. You don't really need to write very long phrases. You just need to write words which are concerned or relevant to the essay topic, and 2 to 3 keywords over here as well. This will help us ensure that our essay is relevant and related to the topic, and we do not lose out or miss out on content. Do not get the scores in content. You do not get score in anything. So we have to add a few keywords to get points in content. And once you get the points in content, your other parameters will be marked as well, and your extended writing will not go down. But yes, make sure you follow this properly. This is a sample answer. Robots will work as teachers in the future. Short essay topic. What do you think? You write the statement here. Because this is a short essay topic, you can write the statement here again. Then same second paragraph. Other factors impacted by the topic are loss of jobs, right? Higher accuracy and less mistakes. Then third paragraph, same. We have added the essay statement here. Moreover, students' doubts, no personal interaction and communication skills are also important to be taken into account. And that's it. Fourth paragraph, we have added this, and we are good to go. This is what you have to do. Remember this thing. You can add keywords like this in other templates as well. Let's say if you're not using our template, right? If you're using any other template and you think it's not going to work, or you're concerned, you can add this particular sentence with 2 to 3 keywords in second paragraph, this particular sentence in the third paragraph with few keywords, and you'll be fine. Just to make sure the essay is more relevant to the topic. And worst case, I want you to be prepared for the worst case. I don't really want you to be prepared where you get easy questions. I want you to be prepared where you get something difficult. Students, Language Academy students who have got access to version 1.3, you can use that template, will work 100%. This template will work as well. Do not worry, we have got your back. Nothing has changed. You can use the template. You can still use the template if you use it the right way. If you will just panic, if you think PT is sitting there updating the software every 2 days, that's not how it works. You have to play it smart. You need to understand what PT is all about, what PT is looking for, how PT works, and you'll be 100% fine. Using these templates, using the previous templates as well, students are still getting the score, but I'm repeating again and again, 2 or 3 students out of 10, 2 students I'll say, are missing out, and that is why I want to make sure no students miss out, and that is why we have added a few changes over here, modified the template, and also introduced a new template for all the students. So that is it. Nothing to stress about. Everything is working. Students are even getting 90 each. These are few of the recent scorecards, right? So you don't stress. If I have recently done it, many students are doing it. You can do it as well. Focus on what will improve your performance. Focus on improving, learning from your mistakes, practicing, and you'll be 100% fine. If you do have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. To practice, you can go on languageacademy.com.au or download the LA PTE Exam Practice app. That's it. If you want me to cover any other topic, any other doubt you have, let me know in the comment section. If you need any help, we have got our branches in India, Australia, and Nepal as well. Feel free to contact us and we'll be more than happy to help you. Varun from Language Academy, thank you very much. I'll see you very soon.